Yung combine mo?
So far, so good naman po. Actually, nakakakaba siya, pero excited din.
Yung pinakamalaki question, syempre, na nasabi na rin ni Coach Jerry na ikaw yung minamata nila na first pick. Ano masasabi mo about that?
Of course, I'm very honored na ako yung first choice nila and I'm grateful for it. So, I just hope na I will go there soon.
Ito ano lang yung feeling na parang medyo matagal ka na daw nila inaay kasi nagkakaroon na daw ng talks with the management, sabi ni Coach Jerry kanina.
Siyempre, masaya ako kasi nakikita nila yung efforts ko as a player and na-appreciate nila yun. So, hopefully, mapakita ko sa future team.
Ayun, alam naman natin, bagong team, rebuilding, tapos winless last season. Kung matutuloy na, ano lang yung ma-offer mo sa Juice Club?
Well, for my part, I'll just really do my best na matulungan yung team na umangat yung ranking nila sa PBL. And of course, there's always going to be pressure, but I'll put that aside and just focus on working hard on myself and helping the team.
Okay, so far, very special year na to sa'yo from Alas. Now, you're entering the PBL. So, sum up lang yung siguro yung emotions on how you've been taking these past few months.
Very surprising kasi hindi ko talaga in-expect na ganito yung mangyayari this year. Like, my last collegiate season didn't end well, but I'm very grateful as well na nakasama ako sa national team and we also won bronze. So I hope things will go better as for the rest of the year.
Ay, kamusta na din yung preparations niyo for the Challenger Cup?
Ganun pa rin po, patuloy pa rin yung training and yeah, hopefully magawa namin yung gusto namin gawin as a team and mapakita namin sa upcoming week.
I think sa national team yung availability nyo ba depende pa rin sa reinforcement?
What do you mean available?
Parang sabi daw kasi yung mga Alas players daw hindi pa sure kung makakalaro sa reinforce.
Oh, for that, I'm not really sure as to what I can say, but hopefully everything's fine.
Ate, speaking dun sa last season mo nga sa Lasal, meron lang din ba nasabi sila Coach Ramil sa inyo about sa pag-enter niyo sa draft? Parang any messages on sa professional league na kayo?
Well, for us personally, nagpaalam talaga kami ng maayos to maintain a good relationship with everyone kasi, you know, the volleyball community is really small. So, kailangan namin mag-maintain ng good relationship and, on my part, he already expected it, like, even before season 86. So, I'm grateful din kay Coach na pinayagan niya ako wholeheartedly.
Kaya gano'ng kalaki lang rin na bagay ito na after national team, ngayon you have a chance to turn pro na here sa PBL. Anong nararamdaman mo about that, thoughts mo about that?
Well, it's gonna be challenging talaga kasi pero very exciting din kasi coming from a national team, I also wish to bring new learnings to my new team sa PBL para yun nga, as I mentioned before, na matulungan kong umangat yung ranking sa PBL.
Any dream opponents na lang in the PBL coming in sa next conference? Ano gusto mong makalaban? Solid.
Yung mga yung nag-finals last season, last conference.
Thank you.
Thank you.